A lot of people wanted to see my full Zippo lighter collection, so we're gonna do it here. I got 3 Zippos in total. It's not gonna be a long video. Like my knife collection, it's not gonna be 20 knives, so let's get into it. First Zippo, orange, just typical orange, mango orange, neon sort of look to it. Second Zippo, this is my daily carry, and it is a high polish chrome. This one is from 2021, forgot to say, but this one dates back to 2018. My next is a high polish candy apple red, which is kind of like my show-off Zippo. I always have a show-off knife and or Zippo from 2019. I really do like the bottom silver plate. Same thing with this one. I think I got those both from Gatlin, but yeah, that's my collection. Have a fantastic day, and stay amazing.